Today I've got a thing called a diphthong for you. Now, when I used a video I just got off the internet to show this, it didn't sort of work very well. So what I want you to do is just have a look at these two letters, the E and the I, and put them together when you say the kind of the phonic sound of them. So A, and let's go through a few words with that sound in them. Sometimes an E and an I together make an A sound, and this is called a diphthong. So you put the A together and it makes an A. It's not that frequent, but there's a significant number of those words. So let's go through these spellings now. The first one is 8. Remember that for this one as well, you can remember that this GHT at the end is always in that order, GHT. So the first one is 8. 18. Just one T in 18. So you've got your EI, GHT. 8th, which is a strange looking word with that HTH together, but that's how it's spelt. But again, remember, it's GHT in that order, as well as the EI at the start. 80. Weight. And again, GHT as well as the EI. Freight. Neighbour. Now that's one of those tricky words, isn't it? But at least you can get the EIGH in that order. That's a very good start. Sleigh. Neigh. The noise that a horse makes. Neigh. Okay, there's my acting finished. Another horse one. Rain. The rain on a horse. Not the rain that's falling outside at the moment. Reindeer. Beige. Vein. The one that that carries blood away from the heart. So have a go at learning those words. Try the Quizlet and put some of these in your Moodle diary if you're doing that sort of thing.